The Meghalaya Board of School Education next ni balang kala pelat ek result jangka Higher Secondary School Living Certificate ni class 12 Science and Commerce Arja Arpsau. Usamla Sohan Bhataterji jangka Laban Bengali Boys Higher Secondary School ulayo ek kerdan ke beningkong haka HSSLC Science. Kerbaka samla Ferry Filarisha 1 jangka St Mary's Higher Secondary School kalayo obat ek kerdan ke beningkong haka Commerce. Haka HSSLC Science usamla Sohan ulayo sauspa prapulai marks pada distinction haki hindriu tli ki subject. Uni usamla ulayo ru hadu shispa naka shispa haka subject mathematics but ka physics. Haka HSSLC Commerce ka samla Ferry Filarisha 1 kalayo sauspa nyopu ar marks but distinction haki hindriu tli ki subject. Kumjuru kini ka samla kalayo shispa naka shispa marks haka subject mathematics but accountancy. Kalayo ru hadu kendai psau naka shispa marks haka subject khasi.
I think we should not go by the name because a name can be made, a name can be destroyed. And Laban Bengali boys perhaps took time to come up to this position, but once we have come up to this position, we mean to be here. We mean to be here. And isn't it better that there should be a healthy competition among the different schools? Why should it be the priority of just one or two institutions? You know, this year it is us, next year it could be someone else. And schools are everywhere, and believe me, schools outside Shillong are also doing well. But what happens to us is that, we just look at the list of positions. Alright, so I don't think it's a brand of names because honestly I have never believed in that brand. Alright, anyone, it's a free world, free game. Anyone who's good will be doing well.
The first question.
Right now, it's a mixed emotion. Right now, I'm still shocked that how I got that. Never expected about getting the first rank or anything. Just shocked right now.
So scoring 100 in physics, it's a first in the entire board, and you're the one. So how did you do it?
The entire credit goes to my teacher. She really helped me a lot. Whenever I had doubts, even at 10, 11 o'clock, I called her. She gave me reply. So it's all credit goes to her. Thank you so much, miss, for helping me, not only in physics, in all the department. All the teachers are really amazing here.
So what does it take to get here?
Mainly it takes dedication and discipline. It doesn't mean that if you study for 10, 15 hours a day, you will get here. It's a misconception. You can just study for a few minutes also, but the concept of the subject, it should go into your head, and that is what makes the difference. And consistency and regular study makes it possible.
Right. So now this is done and dusted. What's next?
Next, my plan is to go for BSc Physics, taking major in it. So hoping for better colleges, and let's see.